Happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday.
Ate. Yeah. Not Leah, Zayanna, Ate. Aya. Happy birthday, Aya. Morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I am panting like a dog because we just walked up a very, very small hill. We're in San Francisco today. It is Zayanna's birthday weekend, so we're like doing things she wants to do. We're letting her call the shots. Basically, I throw out a bunch of ideas and she chooses what she wants to do. Like the other day, she heard Seafood City, which is the local Filipino market where we're from, and she says, I want purple bread. So on Friday, we went and picked up ube pandesal for her from the Valerio's market where we're from. And then yesterday, I gave her some options. We had somewhere to go in the evening, but I gave her some options of what to do beforehand. And she picked going to this play area. It's like really not that exciting. It's like a mall kind of thing, like an outdoor mall, and then there's like fake grass and giant Legos. Like we've been there in the past and she really likes it there, so she wanted to go there. And then today she wanted to go to San Francisco, so we're here. She doesn't know we're meeting up with her aunties and uncles later. But we're gonna go to Golden Gate Park, and gave her some options, you know, like the Academy. I asked if she wanted to go Botanical Garden or Carousel, and I think she's chosen the Carousel, so we're gonna do that today. But first, we're gonna eat somewhere. It's not my birthday, but it's almost my birthday, so I chose where we're gonna go today. We're going to a place we're in the neighborhood where we used to live, and this restaurant is normally a Cajun restaurant, like crawfish, shrimp, all the goods in the evening, but I guess on the weekends for brunch, yeah. It's called Malasa. It's Filipino inspired cuisine, and I keep seeing it on Yelp. Every time I look up restaurants in the neighborhood, it always comes up as number 2 on like the top restaurants to try, so we're here today to check it out. Hopefully the girls eat something. We'll see.
You guys already know I had to get the Bloody Mary, but what did you get, babe?
Calamansi mimosa.
Ooh, that looks good. How does it taste? I'll let you go first.
That's good. Ta-da! There's nothing on her plate yet, but the food has arrived. It's like their special house corned beef, and it's fried with like crispy onions. And then Jonathan over there, we got the silog combo. They do silogs with tocino, longanisa, and okay, you show. Here you go.
So we have tocino, longanisa, and tapa here. And then, did you go over with your plate yet?
Yeah, I did. It's just Leah's gonna touch my drink and.
Oh, okay. And this is the smell here. The smell is so good. And the lumpia Shanghai, they have like a mango chili sauce. And this is a like a vinaigrette, like a green tomatillo vinaigrette, which goes with the meat. So that, I already tasted that, and that tastes amazing. Alright, babe, what'd you think about the food?
I liked it a lot.
I was a little hesitant of going because, you know, Zayanna can cook Filipino food at home. We can go to family members, you know, like we have the resources to get Filipino food.
He doesn't like going to Filipino places that have like regular Filipino food.
Right, because, you know, we have family members that can cook it. But overall, I was actually surprised by the quality of the food that came out. Everything was good. I want to say my favorite was the Shanghai lumpia with the mango chili sauce.
Oh, yeah,
that was really good. So overall, I do recommend checking them out. So I don't know, Zayanna, I think mentioned that they're cross station on the weekdays, and then on the weekends. Yeah, it's a Cajun shrimp spot.
I think they're still cross station at night, like tonight.
You can check out their website. But we'll put a link down below so you can check them out.
And they do kamayan?
Yes, and we learned that they do kamayan in their back room. So they do have a back room, and basically they're just preaching to Zayanna because she's been saying she wants to do kamayan. So we are now on our way to the carousel. And I think that's Zayanna's next request, because we were either going to do that or the botanical garden. and
she picked the carousel. It's her birthday weekend. We're doing the carousel, even though Mama wants to go to the botanical garden.
I do
Whatever.
too. I wanted to buy some plants, but maybe we'll still do it.
Here, here's your coffee.
Thank you.
I don't know if y'all noticed, but we did not go to the carousel. At least maybe not yet. As soon as we got here, bench. Yes, hold on. As soon as we got here, Zay decides, there's another bench, that she does not want to go to the carousel. So there they are, found them. So we're at the playground because it was next to the playground here at Golden Gate Park. And Zay decided she wanted to go to the playground instead. I was like, you still want to go to the carousel? She's like, no. So, we might not do that anymore. Oh, but here's Leo. Hi, babe. Are you on the swing? Daddy put you on the swing? Yeah, Daddy put you there? Huh? It looks like Awa. She's talking about this thing here. How about Ate? Having fun, Ate? Yep. Wow. Yeah. What's that, Leah? Can you please put that down? Why are you always so into sticks?
That's me.
Into sticks? You were into sticks as a child? Really? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Let's go on the carousel. We're finally doing it. Yay! Oh my god. Lots of things happening right now. She finally, she heard the Blue Angels. It's Fleet Week here in San Francisco. She heard the Blue Angels come over. She's like, oh, there's a rocket ship. I want to go see the rocket ship. Let's go to the stairs because she knows about these stairs. You go to the top and you get a great view. They wanted to rush and go do that, and then she changed her mind and she's like, never mind, I want to ride the carousel. So, oh my god, she's in line for the carousel. It's time for the carousel.
Come on, Leah.
Little boss is in charge today, birthday girl. What'd you say, babe? Huh? You gotta close that. You gotta close that. It's gonna spill.
Today we're having a surprise tomorrow.
You mean today? You're too fast. No one can hear you. She's too excited. We're going down the stairs. We're at the Moraga steps. And girl, you're racing. And she's probably racing because she knows the next thing is her surprise. Wait. Can you show everybody where we're at? Pause. Okay, I'll show. Wait. I'll show y'all. Ta-da! This is called the Moraga Steps in San Francisco. It's in the Sunset District. Oh, I just facing forward so we can see where Zay goes. But let me tell y'all. I think we've vlogged here once before, but it's called the Moraga Steps in San Francisco. It's 16th Avenue in Moraga in the Sunset District. We used to live in this area, so we used to walk our dogs here all the time. It's kind of how our dogs got, or our corgi, she got like hip problems from it. So we don't really go on walks anymore, but Zay really likes it, and she's running away from me. Wait for me, you won. Ah, yeah.
All right, guys, so Mom and Zayanna are having a little photo shoot right now, so it's safe to tell you guys. So the surprise is that we're having aunties and uncles meet us up at the restaurant. Are you excited, Talia?
Yeah.
Don't tell your sister, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go?
Yeah, go.
All right. Zay, so you can tell everybody for your 4th birthday, we went to a brewery, okay?
It's a brewery restaurant, excuse you. There's food.
Are you ready, Zay? Are you ready for your surprise?
Go over there.
Just one. Hey. Hey, who's that? Hi, Uncle Rylan. Hi, Auntie Tip.
Hi!
And Auntie Lala. morning, guys. It's the next day, and same thing, just like Zalia, we did make a wall for Zayanna too. So she is awake, but I don't think she's seen this yet. So let me go ahead and grab her. Good morning. Happy birthday.
Have my phone, please?
Whoa, what's that on the wall? She's not a dog. Come here. Happy birthday, babe. Oh, that's your birthday gift. You want to see what it is? Let's see what it is.
Happy birthday, babe.
Happy birthday, babe. Hi, Leah. Good morning.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh! Oh! You like it?
Yeah.
You love it so much. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Do you want to open it? You have to share with sister too, okay?
You can't believe it?
Do you know what? We have some ones. We have the Marvel one.
Oh yeah, you have the Captain Marvel one. Do you know where that is?
It's in there somewhere.
Okay, so
But I
we
can find it.
should let Leah play with that one, and both of you could be like, pew pew pew, right?
Yeah, like we fight each other.
Oh my
Can I have a hug too? Can I have a hug?
Thank you guys. Let's go to Disneyland with someone.
We didn't get it at Disneyland.
You got it at a store?
At the Disney store. She asked for this toy last time we went to Disneyland. Pretty sure, yeah, because last time we went to Disneyland, we only went to California Adventure, so she kept seeing it in the toy at the end of the store at the Toy Story ride, and she was like, "Can somebody get it for me?" And we were like, "You gotta be good. You gotta be baby. You get to open your present for being a good little sister."
No, no.
Is that for Ate or for Zalia?
I'm gonna have it.
Yep, Zilia's gonna, or Zayanna's gonna open it.
Ate's gonna open it.
It's my favorite, but it's for her.
Yeah, you're right. Because you guys are going to share the way you're going to share your Buzz Light. Someone's coming. Where's Leah?
Hi.
Can you say happy birthday? Can you say to the camera?
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday.
Cake.
No, she sees pretzels and she's asking for cake, I guess. We're at the mall now. We vlogged a lot yesterday, and we've just been taking a chill day today, so we didn't vlog the things we already did. We took Zay out to breakfast. She discovered baguettes with the butter. Jonathan could pop a picture in. No, it's not a new store. And then we went to the pumpkin patch and got dirty. And now we're at the mall, because y'all know what we like to do on birthdays. We like to go to the Disney store. So we're going to the Disney store. But right now we're looking for Zay. But I just wanted to see if Zalia can say happy birthday. Come on, can you say it?
Happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday. Ate.
yeah.
Not Leah, Zayanna, Ate.
Aya.
Happy birthday, Aya. No. Oh my. Oh my gosh, they have them. What are those, Zay? Bo Peep staff. All right. All set. Yeah. So Leah, what is all that? She found one. And I already said she can get it, but why do you have so many? Oh my gosh. Can you put it back, please? No back. Put it back.
Can I get 2 of them?
No, we're only getting one stuffy, okay?
Got here.
Come on, Zay. It's time for bed. Did you have a great birthday, babe?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
My candle.
Your candle, blowing out the candles?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And thank you for Lola to come over and help Mommy. And thank you for them to blow the candles for me. I only did one. So thank you for the vlog. See you next weekend.
We'll see you next time.
Next time or on my birthday at school. So we'll see you later. Bye.
All right. Be
Perfectly
sure to,
said.
Yes, right. Be sure to like, subscribe.
Not yet, guys.
What?
I didn't talk yet.
Oh,
Oh.
thanks for watching.
We'll see you guys next
Is that what
time.
I'm supposed to say?
Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my goodness.
Happy birthday, dear Zayanna. Happy birthday to you. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. All right.
Wow. Blow harder, blow harder.
There you go. You gave up?
You want me to do it?
Okay, mommy will do it.
Mommy will do it. There you go.